Taj Mahal. It is located at the bank of Yamuna in Agra, Uttar Pradesh. It covers about 17 hectares. It was built by 5th Emperor of Mughal, Shah Jahan, for his beloved wife Mumtaz between 1638 to 1658. It has taken a very long year for constructing it. It is evident for a masterpiece architect. In those days, the architect was very peak in those days, so he built the Taj Mahal with a white marble and lots of precious stones, and there are lots of architect techniques were utilized. So it is a masterpiece of the world. That's why it is known as a wonder of the world. And there is a very good story and eternal love story behind this Mahal. That is between Shah Jahan and Mumtaz. Mumtaz and Shah Jahan met each other in their young age in 16th century. Between when they were about 14 and 15, both got fallen in love, and they informed their father Jahangir, and he also agreed for that, but they told him to wait for another 5 years. In those between the 5 years, he got married to two queens due to political reason. Later, he got married to Mumtaz, his beloved queen. He was very much affectionate. He had a very strong feeling of love for his queen. That is well evident in the Mahal appearance. It was built in memory of his wife, who was passed while giving a birth to 14th child of them. Once she passed away, he has taken a vow that he is going to build a house which is memorable for his beloved wife Mumtaz, which will be well known for his love. It has per the Quran, it says that it is a house for them in paradise. That is, it's very beautiful, which came up with a very wide, marvelous marble Mahal. It's when you visit that place, you will get to know what is the constructions and all those things. He has utilized all illusions and a lot of architecture, and it was built with lots of effort. 22,000 people, workers, who dedicated themselves for building this building, and 1,000 elephant was involved too for this work as well as. And then what is the great thing evident here is that the love of a emperor for his beloved queen. It is shown well in his building, which comes for a long, very everlasting. So we get to know that even the same kind of love and affection what Shah Jahan shows to his Mumtaz, the same kind of love and affections will be with the poor couples as well. But however, this is an evidence for an emperor emperor couple who had a bonding, and it was well known in the building. So everyone in India wish to see that place in their lifetime. So once you get a chance, visit the Agra and visit Taj Mahal. You can visit. The marble is a white marble, uh, which has its uniqueness, where it reflects the sky. If you see it in the morning, it will be in a pinkish color due to the reflection of the sky, as well as when you see at the noon, it will be in a very white color, and afternoon and at evening it will be in a golden color. Once at the time of full moon day, you can see it in the evening, night times, it will be in a silverish color. So this one is here. It is shows not only the love and affection between the couple, however, it shows the strong feeling of someone's missing, how it has initiated, how it has been induced the person to build a great building which will be the everlasting source of the country. Thanks for listening. Tomorrow, if you have any more news, any more information about the Taj Mahal, you all welcome to give the information on a comment box, and you can also give the feedback on a comment box. Subscribe, share with your friends. Tomorrow, next time, I'll come up with a very different story, which will be for those who are know about this Taj Mahal. It could be a reminder or a refresher. So reminder for visit the place, and those who are not knowing about this Taj Mahal and the story behind it, it could be the introduction. You can have a very clear look or very clear idea. When you look at the Wikipedia or any more further studies, you get to know all these things, and you'll get to wonder how this emperor loving. So the power of emperor is that his administrations is well shown in his confidence and his love and affections. That is evident for the same love and affection is evident in for the wife that is shown in the building. So this is how. Thank you.